Okay guys, so welcome back to Puerto Escondido, and we are actually on our way to the supermarket to buy gas because we want to cook. We want to cook without basically it's not a cook, we want to cook because we don't want to buy our food outside, because when we calculated it, okay, we saw that we actually spent much more money. Okay, just a second, gonna look at the road. So we basically figure it out that we are spending much more money on eating outside than when we were cooking. So the best solution for us is actually cooking. This is like churros. Okay, doesn't look the best churros. It's interesting for how much does he sell the pineapple, but I don't have time for it. Okay, let's just cross the road. Okay, basically it's very risky to cross roads in Mexico. As you can see from where I come, we don't usually do it like that in the middle of nowhere, but here, even when you are allowed to pass as a person who are walking, sometimes you see that the cars is coming at you, like speeding up. So I didn't realize it until the end, but I think more time that I will spend here will give me like more experience with that type of culture, driving culture. So I'm going back to the food. I think, honey, hey Ken, I think it's over there. I think it's over there. Yeah, we just need to like cross the road and that's it, we are there. So for us, like calculating it, I'm sure we're gonna save a lot of money as travelers. Okay, and now we are going in the supermarket, and the problem in the supermarket, they're not allowing me to film. So when I'm going in, I need to change, I need to like turn off my camera, and then when I'll be inside I will turn on it again, so there will be no problem with the security inside. Hey. Okay, so we are going in. I'm turning off the camera. Okay guys, so we are in the supermarket. As you can all see, they're demanding mask wear inside. This is what we're looking for. This is actually the gas. What is the price of it? It's 600 pesos. Actually, I think it's a little bit maybe a problem, because if it's too big we cannot take it with us.
Yeah, this is very
and
big.
This is like we already have like a problem of weight with us. We need to get rid a lot of things. Okay, that you remember last time with the suitcases. Okay, we have to, like, we suffered a lot bringing all our stuff to our room. So basically it looks very big, and I don't think it's so practical, because big things usually don't tend to travel so good. So I don't know, it's really heavy. How is this? Is heavy?
No.
This is where the gas. This is just the tool for the gas. I mean,
yeah,
you buy the gas separately.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's like. So this is like 500 just for the tool, and there is no gas inside. So
yeah,
maybe we will search for the gas to see how much it costs, because I think if it costs like around 1,000 with the gas, maybe it's not worth it, you know, because it's so big. Or
yeah,
should we wait, you know, for other like city that we're gonna be, maybe Mexico City, and then we buy like a small one, like we know, you know, much more choices in Mexico City. Here in Puerto Escondido, because it's not like the center, so much less. Although this is a very big place, it's like Costco in the United States. Like, it's very big, very as you can see. So this is with a lot of sections. Basically you have your everything. I don't remember the name of it, but it really doesn't matter. But we actually need to find the gas, because if the gas is around, I think 100 Mexican pesos, I think it's a good deal. But if no, I think we're gonna pass, and I'm not sure also we're gonna take it even if the gas is 100 pesos. So let's see. So guys, we actually decided to give up on the gas, okay, on the gas tool with all of it, and we are now searching for food here in the supermarket to see if it's going to be cheaper than buying food outside, because this is actually our first time that we are searching for food here. What are you found?
What's that? Look the price, and
This is the price, and this is like,
look the picture.
yes, it's like, yeah, it's from goose.
Wow.
It's from, it's like
What
a
is?
goose meat. Like it's like, you see, ganso. I think this is like goat. Yeah, I think this is it. So let's see what are the options here. Let's see. Actually, what? But we cannot. But we cannot use any gas. You know, we don't have fire. So
maybe we can find another place.
like another place to buy it. I'm not sure there is here, because you know this is like the biggest place, and all the other places are very old places. You know, the shops are very small and very old.
Maybe you ask someone if there is gas.
And then we see, because for how many days we gonna stay here in Puerto Escondido? Huh? For how many days you gonna think we're gonna stay here in Puerto Escondido?
10 days, something like that.
10 days? You
Yeah.
think until we need to go back to
Mexico City.
Guatemala?
And then
to Mexico,
and then
to Mexico
yeah.
City, okay. So let's okay, let's try again to search for the gas, although we almost like gave away. So okay, actually the guy here, okay, this is it's not this solamente este. No hay como solo gas. Este
son pastillas, o sea, las prendes y quedan encendidas.
Sí.
Este es gel, este es alcohol en gel.
Pero-
Ok, alcohol en gel.
okay, so I think there is no gas. Gracias, muchas gracias, amigo. Okay, so guys, I think there is no gas here. They actually have the equipment for it, but they don't have the real thing, you know, the real deal. So basically this is the closest thing to gas. It's like, it's not a gas, it's like something that make it like more fire, you know, like when you do something on fire. So this is actually helps you to make the fire like for keep going, you know, or like in the beginning when you're starting doing it. Most of you, I believe, that know what I'm talking about, you know, these very unhealthy products for doing like more fire. Actually the cakes here looks very good, you know. This is a carrot. Wow, this is actually looks very good, and I think also it's very cheap, you know. It's not so expensive, although in Israel it's very expensive, you know, in my country. Okay, so I think the gas option is not
Like making drawing in the hand.
is actually not available for us, so I think we're gonna pass it because we just can't get it. So okay, let me update just hand, and then we can keep on. Okay, so there is no gas. The closest thing to gas, it's like something else that's actually to make fire like longer, you know, on the mangal on. So
Okay.
there is no gas,
So no-
you know, nobody knows actually, and
Okay.
Okay, for breakfast.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, this is really good. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, this is like an almond, and this is like, okay, this is like really, really nice.
Yeah, I
Okay.
like it.
Okay. So
Okay.
let's see, because they have so many things here, you know?
Yeah,
see.
I want.
What is that? Sorry, man. What is that? Actually, I never saw it before. Okay, this is the fridge there. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so I think we are gonna stay like what, just with the breakfast. So we have the breakfast, and we can basically save money by doing the breakfast in our hotel. You just need you know, like plates to put it. We can ask from the hotel. I think they will give us, no problem, huh? The plates and the spoons.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, peanut butter.
You like
Your weakness. Okay.
Wow, 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 wow,
Whoa.
wow, 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 wow.
Wow. Okay. And the almond. This is chia, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Chia. They have the white chia, or this is like a mixed chia?
I didn't see.
You didn't see. This is like not white. This is the black, and I see a little
Yeah.
bit white inside. This is like the poison section, no? No, it's not. You know, the sweet drinks, the poison section. This is how I call it. Ah, this is here, yes. The poison section, you know? All the industries that trying to, you know, make us like drink all these addictive drinks that causes so many diseases. So I'm trying to pick up some avocados, but all of them are really, really hard. Like no one is ready to eat, so actually I'm not sure I'm going to take some, because it's going to take some time till they get like really soft, you know, and prepared to eat. So let's see what's going on here. Like no. Okay, this is like, oh, this is like really like stone, you know. It's not something you actually can eat. But they are very small, so now maybe it's the organic way, you know, that they are small. You cannot like make them bigger than they are in nature. So let's try to pick some avocados. I need a bag. Where there is a bag? Bag. Okay. They're very hard, you know. They're like.
Yeah, this is good.
It's good. Yes. It's gonna be like okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's go.
So guys, everything is really cheap here in Mexico compared to my country. Okay, I can tell you that I bought now like onions, like the onions I don't remember, but it's really cheap. Also the avocado, but I bought like 3 donuts, and 3 donuts right now, like it's 20 pesos. Like it's really cheap. And also we bought like a bread, really good bread, okay, really like high quality bread, and it's 29 pesos. This is like really funny prices, like if you compare it to the West, you know. So Mexico, you've been good to us. ¿Pide una bolsa, por favor? Sí. Gracias.
Gracias. Wow. Es de adiós.
Suavemente.
Suavemente besame.
¿Todo? 267,69 centavos.
Okay, so everything we bought, and we bought a lot of stuff. All of it together, 267 pesos. So Mexican pesos. This is really cheap. You can tell for sure. Really cheap.
Gracias.
Muchas gracias, amigo.
Hasta luego.
Hey guys, so as I told you previous, I bought some food with Ren at the supermarket, as you saw. I want to show you the pool in my hotel. This is the pool actually. I haven't showed you the pool till now, but it looks pretty good. And actually the waters also feel very warm and nice. And tonight I'm not gonna do something special because I'm staying at the hotel and I'm gonna edit. I have a lot of work to do, so I'm gonna cut this video here and see you tomorrow. New journey, new adventure. See you guys. Ciao. Bye bye.